Hey, what's going on, everyone? Jonathan Davis here with Davis Autosports, showing you guys one of our completed and pretty close to fully restored XJs. Exterior wise, you're looking at all brand new paint. Every single panel has been freshly repainted here in house. Our Stage 2 package consisting of a full 3-inch suspension lift, all new suspension components. There's not one remaining small or large component from the factory on this Jeep. All new steering components as well to go along with the lift. Brake lines, brakes, all that sort of stuff. We have our very own exclusive DAS Moab replica wheels on here as well, on a 265/75/16 Nitto Terra grappler. This was built specifically for a client, so we sort of finished it off the way he wanted it. Have some nice IPFs up front. He wanted it a relatively stockish looking Jeep, nothing overdone, low profile roof rack, new windshield, new seals, all that sort of stuff. We did go with a rear tire carrier on this with a full-size spare. Full driveline was done as well. We also have a brand new engine, all new cooling system. Didn't do too much to the inside other than just keep it really clean. We have new carpet, new headliner, did a sound system in here, nothing crazy, just really clean on the inside. If you guys have any questions about our current XJ inventory or us building a XJ that you currently own or having us build one for you, give us a call at 855-XJ Jeeps. That's 855-955-3377. Thank you.